Have you ever wondered why baby farm animals learn so quickly? Life on a farm begins with an incredible race to grow. Unlike many wild animals, baby farm animals are raised in a safer environment, giving them the chance to explore, play, and develop important survival skills from their very first days. Many newborn farm animals can stand surprisingly fast. A baby horse may be walking within an hour, while a newborn calf is often on its feet only a few hours after birth. This early mobility helps them stay close to their mothers and become stronger every day. Play is much more than entertainment. When baby goats leap onto rocks or chase each other around the field, they are actually training their muscles, improving balance, and learning how to react quickly to their surroundings. Young birds have amazing abilities too. Some chicks begin communicating with their mother before they even hatch, while ducklings can swim shortly after leaving the egg, although they still rely on their mother for warmth and protection. Every baby animal grows at its own pace. Some, like rabbits, are born tiny, blind, and without fur, while others arrive ready to explore the world almost immediately. Although farm life is generally safer than the wild, these first weeks are the most important. During this time, young animals learn to recognize their families, understand their environment, and develop the skills they will use for the rest of their lives. Which baby farm animal do you think learns the fastest?